there was only a trickle of steam coming out up until that eruption. Hey bud, just use these line of stones, stay behind those, thanks man. Now what we're thinking, like the eruption that occurred 2.5 weeks ago came from the centre of this lake here. What we're thinking is that vent comes in on itself, blocking it up, which is the extra pressure on those walls, especially the one around to the left. Just to the right of that steam coming out on the left, where it's getting quite a few bubbles coming up in the lake. Also out to the right hand side now, so I'm thinking the vent used to be right in the middle. Obviously that's collapsed in and now it's finding new ways to escape out the side around the edges. We've had quite a few little landslips in here too over the last month or so, or up around